we've been able to spot variants here at home and support others to detect variants in other parts of the world. I'd like to update the House on the 6 cases of the variant of concern that was first identified in Manaus in Brazil that we've now identified here in the UK. We know that 5 of these 6 people quarantined at home as they were legally required to do. We've been in contact with them, and I'd like to put on the record my gratitude to them for doing their duty and following the rules. Whenever we identify cases of a new variant, we respond fast and come down hard by bringing in enhanced sequencing and testing. And so we're stepping up our testing and sequencing in South Gloucestershire as a precaution. We have no information to suggest that the variant has spread further. Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, one of these 6 cases completed a test but didn't successfully complete the contact details. Incidents like this are rare and only occur in around 0.1% of tests. I can update the House on the latest information in identifying this case. We've identified the batch of home test kits in question. Our search has narrowed from the whole country down to 379 households in the southeast of England, and we're contacting each one. We're grateful that a number of potential cases have come forward following the call that we put out over the weekend, and I'd like to thank colleagues from across the House who've helped us to get the message out there. And Mr. Speaker, our current vaccines have not yet been studied against this variant, and we're working to understand what impact it might have, but we do know that this variant has caused significant challenges in Brazil. So we're doing all we can to stop the spread of this new variant in the UK, to analyse its effects, and to develop an updated vaccine that works on all these variants of concern and protect the progress that we've made as a nation. Mr. Speaker, this country is on the road to recovery, and we have freedom on the horizon. We must proceed with caution, because although we're moving quickly, the virus moves quickly too. So let's not waver and do whatever it takes to keep this virus under control.
Shadow Secretary of State Jonathan Ashworth.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and as always, I thank the Secretary of State for advance sight of his statement. With respect to the Brazilian variant, in January